Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Today it's lesson 13, I guess. Okay, let's continue what we were doing last time. Last time, we were what? Yeah, we learned to move, pen up and move, pen down and draw, something like that. So we can move between the draws by using forward operations. Today, we're going to learn something else to move more freely, okay? So anyway, let's finish the homework. Do the same with triangle and star. It's not a big deal. So let's open our last notebook, connect, and go back to the first cell, run the first cell, because we do need it every time. And then going down, by the way, maybe it's better to have some function definitions ready. So square here, triangle here. We just want, so let's run it. And also we want star as well. So let's run it. Okay. Then, okay, we have everything ready. So what? Last time we did this. Initialize turtle 9, speed up, and do 4 times. Drawing a square, maybe a little bigger this time. Square of 50, pen up, turn to the right, go forward, pen down, and repeat it 4 times. Let's run it and check how it looks like. Fine. Okay. So change this to which triangle? It's very simple. Okay, let's take a look how it looks like. Okay, triangle, triangle. Oh, okay, too fast. Maybe we can change this to 6 and then change this to star and do the same. Right, draw a little slowly. Okay, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Okay, it's done. It's now come back to return to the original starting position. But it's, it's a bit strange. It's a bit tilted. Maybe we'll fix this later. Okay, so let's go into the today's work. Okay, today's slide begins with draw wherever you like. And there's something new. Draw a star of size 20 at a position 100, 200. Do you know this thing? Do you know a concept, position coordinates? So usually a position is expressed as set of 2 variables, x and y, or x coordinate and y coordinate. And for example, this point, oh, by the way, I can't. Okay, so for example, this position is expressed as 200 as x coordinate and 100 as y coordinate, right? Okay, so here, for example, this is, what is this point coordinate? Yeah, this is 350 and 250. Okay, are you okay? Are you satisfied with this? Okay, here, for example, here is, tell me, 50, 100. Okay, it's like this. A position is always expressed as a coordinate pair of x and y. X always comes first. Okay, let's go back to phase 1. So draw a star at the position 100, 200. To do that, we can use function goTo. Okay, so let's just see what we can do about it. So maybe we can copy this to a new box, new cell. And after that, yeah, just copy what we learned. Go to 100, 200, and then star of size 20 was that. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Good. So, it's strange. There's something strange, and star it's so small that we can't see. Okay, to avoid that, maybe we need to learn to pen up and pen down again. So wherever wherever the turtle is in the beginning, let's do pen up. We can just write up instead of pen up. Then go to, then pen down. Maybe we need to draw a little larger star, like 100, 50. And then pen up so that we can see he wrote. Maybe ask him to go to, say, 2020. And let's see how it looks like. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So maybe he started somewhere here and then moved to 100, 200. It's again, this distance is 100 and this distance is 200. Okay. Vertically 200, horizontally 100, and vertically 200. And then pen down, draw a star, pen up, and move away to 2020 point here. Okay, this is beautiful. So now we know how to move wherever we like. Okay, draw another after moving to 200, 200. Good. Stop the video and do it yourself. Okay, maybe after it's right after drawing the first star. So maybe we can copy this down star and okay. Maybe we can copy this. Okay, and put it here. What is the problem? 200, 200. Okay, so change this to 200. Okay, then, okay, draw the first star at 100, 200, and then move to 200, 200, and draw the second star. Okay. Okay, write the first star and draw the second. And go away to 2020. Good. Okay, draw 5 squares in a horizontal row with interval 100. So now we know how to do it, right? But this time try to use for loop instead of writing one by one 5 times. Okay, stop the video and try yourself. Okay, are you back? Okay, let me try. Interval 100. Okay, so maybe this is enough. And we can change the x coordinate only because y is fixed. So maybe we can initialize x as, say, 100 and write x here instead. And then, okay, this is good enough. So let's write for loop, okay, for range 50, 5 times, okay. And then up and increment x by 100. And lastly, select this place and tab once. Okay, does it seem great? Okay, go to X 200, go down. How about this? Okay, let's try this. Okay. Draw star, draw star. So each time incrementing X by 100 and 5, draw 5 star. Very good. Okay, how do you like it? Do you think this is good enough? Of course, there are another way to do that, like using go forward, but this is more kind of yeah, versatile. You can do many things with this method. So learn to do. Draw vertically likewise. Okay, stop the video and do it. Okay, maybe, of course, we can do many ways. So, yeah, let's write it here, 100, and use y instead. Of course, we can do, and put y here, change this to y as well. And this will do. Okay, draw vertically likewise. Okay. Well, will this fit to this box? I don't know. Let's try. Okay, wait. Okay, star. And okay, at 200, 300, 400. Oh, a little off the screen. But anyway, okay, fine. So, as you can see, yeah, please check yourself why this is like that. The x coordinate is always 100 horizontally, and y coordinate is increased by 100 each time, 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Okay, now you know how to do many things. Okay, what's next? Draw a triangle in an array of grid of 6 by 4. This is a bit tough. Okay, stop the video and try yourself. This is what we call a double loop. Is it first time? Okay, let's try. So you can do this in a nested way. Okay, so the inner loop is maybe x. Okay, so let's change it back to x. And okay, x is incremented by x each time. And x should be initialized to say 100. Okay, and then do this for I wrote 6. Okay, sorry. I wrote 6 for horizontal array. And then do the same as 4 times in a vertical way. So let's use another running index j. We want it 4 times. Okay, and do it. Select this and tab once. Okay, indent altogether by 1. And then after doing this, y will be incremented by 100. Is this confusing? Maybe. Let's try this. So in each row, x is initialized to 100 and incremented by 100 each time. And repeat this 6 times. Okay, and each is done 4 times. And each time y is incremented by 100. Okay, let's see how it looks like. By the way, it says draw triangles. So instead of star, I need to change this to triangle. Okay, let's see how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going back to the first position. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It takes time. Okay. And the third row. Now J is 2. J is 0 here. 1, 2, and 3. Still, this is the fourth row. Okay, right? So this is the way to grid the triangles in a grid of 6 by 4. Okay, maybe it's a bit confusing, but this is a very common methodology to write in grid. So please learn to be sure. Okay. Okay, maybe last problem. Make the figures bigger as you go down. Ah, a bit difficult. Okay, let me show you how to do it. So this time we will change the size too. So let's call it SS. Okay. SS is initialized to maybe 50 is big, so 30. Okay. And each time it will be incremented a bit. Each time we go down. So we change it as we change Y. Okay, so increment S by say 30. 30 kana. Okay, let's go. Let's see how it looks. First row, small triangle. Maybe we want only 5 instead of 6. Okay, a little bigger. Very good. Even bigger. Maybe the last one will be too big. And the last one. There's overlap. Touching and overlap. But anyway, this is what we do have right now. And this is what we wanted, right? Yay. Please review the code yourself and change yourself and try many variations so that you can learn to do many things you like. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. Homework. Do the same with start. Sorry, it's so easy. Okay. So I hope you like today's one. Please be sure to subscribe and a like if you like, and be sure to come back next time. Thank you very much for your attention and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.